guys, my name is Mrs. Lawson and I'll be teaching you grade 10 English, 10B, and I'm just here to welcome you to the course and to tell you a little bit about myself so you feel like you have a person that's on the other line that's not just some random computer blob. So yeah, I'm Mrs. Lawson. I've been teaching for 10 years. I used to teach at Centennial. So if any of you guys are Chargers, what's up? Good to see you. If you're not a Charger, that's cool too. We're all in this together, so I'm just really glad that you're here with me. Yeah, so I taught there for 7 years. I was the wrestling coach. And before that, I taught in Regina and I taught in South Korea. So about myself, I really love coffee. I love memes. I love my dogs, who I'm going to give you a quick little intro to. So hold that thought. So over here we have Ollie. She's a little sweetheart. And this is her brother Jasper. He is my grumpy old man, but he's also amazing. I've had him for 10 years now. And this is Louise. She's a little bit broken right now. She just had double hip replacement surgery, so she's a little bit tired. So you probably got a little bit of a tour of the background of my house. I hope you saw all of my PlayStation controllers. I love gaming, so right now I'm playing Assassin's Creed Origins, and hopefully when Valhalla comes out, I'll be able to play that. Also really into social media, because who's not? Instagram and TikTok. I don't make TikTok videos. I am gonna try, but I'm really bad at the dances, so I just like to watch what's on and learn about history and stuff from TikTok. Some things that are really important to me are social justice, so feminism, Black Lives Matter, anti-racist education. I really believe and know that those are things that need to be taught and need to be talked about. So it's really important that you guys know that this area, this online classroom is a safe space for you. Name calling, bullying, being oppressive and hurtful to people will not stand. You need to know that that's not acceptable in my classroom, and it's not acceptable in the world either. So this is a safe space for everyone. So yeah, I really hope that you guys will enjoy this course. English 10B is one of my favorites. We get to read Macbeth. We get to read a lot of really interesting stories. So I hope that you guys like it. Really important that you stay on top of due dates. So quints, right? They're gonna go really fast. They're like 35 days. So it's super important that you are using a calendar, using an agenda to keep yourself organized. I have created some documents that have due dates on them, as well as kind of give you like a rundown of maybe what you should be doing each day. So that's really helpful for if you struggle with organization. If you're a pretty organized person, you can come up with when you want to do stuff, but the due dates are really important. So make sure you look at that calendar for those due dates for the first couple of weeks. So that's for our poetry unit, our writing unit, and our short stories unit. Those are the first 3 or 4-ish units that we're going to do. And then we move on to Macbeth and a little baby unit on media literacy. So that's how we will end our quint together. So yeah, I hope that we have a great time. I know this is new for a lot of us. A quint, I've never had a quint before, and I'm sure you guys have never had a quint before either. So please just email me if you have any questions. Make sure that your email address is up to date. If you are having trouble getting stuff in on time, just know that there will be communication between you and me, and probably yourself, myself, and your parents, because we can't just not get stuff done. Things have to happen. Yeah, so I hope that you guys, again, have a great year. It'll be fun. We'll get through it. We're all in this together. They do a High School Musical dance. I don't know how that works. I never watched it. Yeah, so have a great rest of your day.